It is highly probable that the progenitor of all present-day avian species possessed feathers with a captivating iridescent quality. Greetings everyone! Today's video will delve into the fascinating topic of how the color palette of birds varies based on their geographical location. If you reside in a region far from the equator, you may have noticed that most birds tend to have more muted and dull colors. However, as you move closer to the tropics, you'll be greeted with a stunning display of vibrant hues in bird species. This intriguing observation has captivated scientists for quite some time, leading them to question whether these vivid feathers evolved specifically in the tropics, or if tropical birds inherited their colorful traits from ancestors that migrated to the region. So, without any further delay, let's dive right into our discussion. A study of remarkable significance was recently published in Nature Ecology and Evolution, where scientists compiled an extensive database encompassing 9,409 distinct species of birds. This comprehensive collection served as the foundation for their investigation into the distribution of colors on a global scale. The results they obtained were nothing short of revelatory, unveiling a staggering 415 instances of iridescent feathers scattered throughout the bird family tree. Interestingly, these occurrences were predominantly observed in regions beyond the tropics. Drawing from these compelling findings, the researchers reached a compelling conclusion. It is highly probable that the common ancestor of all present-day avian species possessed the captivating trait of iridescence. Lead author of the study, Chad Eliasson, a research scientist at the Field Museum in Chicago, expressed that scientists have long speculated about the presence of more vibrant and colorful bird species in the tropics. The objective of their research was to delve into the underlying mechanisms responsible for the emergence and distribution of these vivid colors throughout the evolutionary history of birds. Animals exhibit a wide array of colors, which are achieved through the use of pigments and structural mechanisms. Melanin, for instance, is responsible for producing black and brown hues, whereas structural colors are the result of light interacting with cellular structures. A captivating example of structural color is iridescence, characterized by its enchanting rainbow-like shimmer that changes with variations in light angles. The brilliant colors displayed by tropical birds are a result of a combination of pigments and structural colors. Dr. Eliasson's study specifically delved into the realm of structural color, specifically focusing on the phenomenon of iridescence. To conduct their research, Dr. Eliasson and his team meticulously analyzed a vast collection of 9,409 photographs, videos, and scientific illustrations, encompassing a significant portion of the 10,000 bird species currently identified. Their objective was to identify the species that possessed iridescent feathers and to determine their respective geographical distributions. Through a combination of data on bird coloration distribution and an established DNA-based family tree, the team effectively examined the connections between all known bird species. Utilizing advanced modeling software, they meticulously mapped out the origins and dispersion of iridescence. In summary, our study involved comprehensive mathematical analysis, Eliasson elaborated. Through an examination of the connections between present-day species, their geographical distributions, and the evolutionary patterns of their traits, the software has put forth the proposition that vibrant avian creatures embarked on a migration to tropical regions millions of years ago, subsequently branching out into a multitude of distinct species. Additionally, the model has unearthed an unexpected revelation regarding the progenitor of all contemporary avian species. Iridescent was the common characteristic of the ancestral Neorhynithes, a subgroup of birds that emerged 80 million years ago and managed to survive the mass extinction event 66 million years ago. Archaeopteryx, an ancient dinosaur, serves as the starting point for the lineage of birds, dating back 140 million years. It is worth noting that all present-day birds are classified under Neorhynithes. Eliasson expressed his excitement upon discovering that iridescence is the ancestral state of all birds. The presence of iridescent feathers in fossil evidence of birds and feathered dinosaurs from the Cretaceous period further substantiates this revelation. The field of paleontology could experience a profound impact as a result of the revelation that early neornithes possessed iridescent qualities. Eliasson anticipates that the newfound awareness of iridescence will lead to the identification of additional instances of this phenomenon within the fossil record. While this study has provided valuable knowledge about the gradual expansion of iridescence throughout countless years, there are still notable uncertainties that persist. Eliasson acknowledged, "The initial evolution of iridescence remains a mystery to us. While birds employ iridescent feathers to attract potential mates, this phenomenon is also intertwined with various other aspects of their existence. Take, for instance, the color-changing abilities of tree swallows in response to humidity, which suggests that environmental factors and physical properties such as water resistance may contribute to this trait. By comprehending the prevalence of iridescent birds in tropical regions, we may unravel the underlying reasons behind the evolution of iridescence." Contributing to this study were Chad M. Eliasson from the Granger Bioinformatics Center and Nagoni Integrative Research Center at the Field Museum, Michael P.J. Nicolai from Ghent University and the Royal Belgian Institute of Natural Sciences, Cynthia Bohm from Vrije Universiteit Amsterdam, Eline Blom from Naturalis Biodiversity Center, Liliana Dalba from Ghent University and Naturalis Biodiversity Center, and Matthew D. Shorkey from Ghent University. To support our channel's growth and ensure broader awareness, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. This will help us reach more individuals and disseminate valuable information. Thank you in advance.